Take it down. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, the Shepherd Palama, but we're not also performing. In fact, my candidate will come to couple number one after the other. So we are moving straight to the next act. Ladies and gentlemen, let me see your lighter in your ear. Let me see lighter. Let me see lighter. Let me see a 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 light. Can we have the light off? Full light, full light. Let me see a light. Light. Lighter. 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 Let me see that. Let me see that in the air. Let me see that in the air. Go full light. Let me see. Even better man bring you. Even better man bring you. Nobody came out. Nobody. Let me see your light. Let me see it there. Lighter. 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 Ladies and gentlemen, if you're ready.
Every promise God made you to stay, whatever's going to happen in your life.
So the stage light has gone off. Stage light has gone off. Stage light. Okay, so the technical team must put the light off. Technical team, let's have the light off. Stage light and the floor light. Please. Please, stage light and floor light. Stage light. Floor light. Stage light. Floor light. It's a long experience concert. Ladies and gentlemen, live here at the Tamale Sports Stadium. Kaikete Sisai Makasio. Oboy Azuma Company Limited. Oboy, thank you for your company. Oboy Azuma Company Limited. Kazak to Resuja team. Dr. Mohamed Amin Anta. Onyalamu Beshiwale. In fact, before go karate, Muno Melo Yino Kana. Tempo Dr. Anta, Alhaji Halim Tukuma, and to come to China. Dr. Anta Beshiwale to put up a pie. Dr. Ekerobenazosa. Milo Bezosa. Former finance minister here in Tamale. Doctor, thank you very much. Kapwe, Ijabe Chanaya, Umpwe, Ijab Chana Piaro, Ijab Pratamana, Mango Jamana, and Tamale, Swatamana, Tuza Purusu Tiza and Baying. Pastor Chimba, Sano. Jambu, we wanna party. Can I hear that? Jambu, we wanna party. If you're ready, let's welcome on stage